Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sathi Technology. In this video, we will learn how to share image using Bluetooth. So to share the image using Bluetooth, first we need a series of bytes, and that is a byte array. For example, if we want to share this image, first we need to convert this into byte array. When I was testing this, I realized that if we send about 8000 bytes, then receiver will receive only around 900 bytes. Sometimes this number may be vary from device to device, but it receives around 600, 700 or 900. Okay. So to send these all bytes to the receiver, we can use one trick, that is break the all bytes into sub-array. Okay, and send the sub-array one by one, and at the receiver side we can merge these sub-array into a single array. Okay, using this scenario we can send small arrays around 400 or 500 bytes, and at the receiver side we can merge that. So here let's have a look what we should do. From the sender side, first get the image from the drawable. You can also get the image from the gallery, but to make this project simple, I will get the image from the drawable and convert this image into the byte array. And after that, send the length of the array so that receiver will aware how much bytes will come. And after that, break the array into small sub-arrays and send the small arrays one by one. So because receiver only receives around 800 or 900 bytes, we will use sub-arrays around 400 or 500 bytes, so that it will be ensure that all bytes will be received by the receiver. And to the receiver side, first get the length of the image array, that is this. Okay, third step we get here. After that, create an array of the same length. And third is receive the first sub array and merge that sub array in the created array. Okay, this second point is the created array, and in this array we will merge the received sub-array, and after that we will check if we got all the bytes, then convert this sub-array into the image. Otherwise we will receive next sub-array and merge in this sub-array, and again we will check if we got all the bytes, then convert it into the image. Otherwise again we will receive the next sub-array. So this receiving will continue until we will receive all the array, and after that we will convert the array in the image, and the last is we will ready for the next image to receive. Okay, so let's have a look how to implement this in the Java. So this is the sender size. When we will click the send button, first an object of bitmap will be created, and here bitmap equal to bitmap factory dot decode resource, and what resource we are going to decode, that is r dot drawable dot happy icon. This is the image that we are going to convert in the bitmap. Okay, after that create an object of byte array output stream, that is this stream new byte array output stream, and using this bitmap dot compress and bitmap dot compress format dot png, because this happy icon is png, we are using png. This is the quality, so you can put any number here, don't matter. And the third argument is stream, so this is the byte array output stream. After that, this stream will be able to provide output you in the byte array. So next line is create an array of byte that is image bytes, and initialize this using this stream dot to byte array. So this method will return byte array, and that we will catch in this byte array. After that, create an object of int that is sub array size. So we are using 400 because we want to ensure that all bytes should be received from the receiver side. Okay, so here send receive dot write. So first we will send the number of bytes of this array. So here image bytes, that is this dot length, convert this into a string and again convert in the bytes. Okay, after that we will break this array into sub array, and its size will be this sub array size, and send one by one. So here in this for loop, first I equal to 0 and I is less than image bytes dot length. So this is the image byte and I will be less than the length of this image bytes. Okay, and next I plus equal to sub array size. So first time the I will be 0, and when it will be plus equal to sub array size, that is 400. So each iteration time this for loop will jump 400. Okay, so here create a byte array, that is temp array, and initialize this using array dot copy range. Here first argument is this image byte, then the value of the I, that is first time is 0. So copying the value will be start from here 0, first time 0 and next time 400 and so on. The third argument is math dot min, and this min will provide minimum value of either this image byte dot length or I plus sub array size. Okay, next send receive dot write this temp array. So first time it will send 400 length, again it will send 400 length, and last time it will send only remaining values, because this math min will copy the minimum value of this remaining array. Okay, so this was the sending side. Now this is the receiver side. So here receiver side we will create an array of byte, that is buffer, and an object of integer, that is number of bytes, an integer that is index, and boolean flag, that is true. So this flag is, if the flag is true, we are receiving the number of bytes of array, else we are receiving the array. So this while loop will run for infinite time because we are always ready to receive the message. And in this while loop, first we will check if the flag is true. So if the flag is true, that is we are receiving the number of bytes. So here byte array temp equal to new byte, and the size of this byte array will be the size of input stream dot available. Okay, so if input stream dot read, here temp is greater than 0, that is we have something to read in the input stream, then number of bytes equal to integer dot parse int, and here new string temp. So this string will convert into the integer, and this integer will be saved in the number of bytes, and this number of bytes is the number of bytes of the image that we are going to receive. And after that initialize this buffer using new byte, and its size will be the same number of bytes that we are going to receive. So after we will receive the number of bytes, we will make flag false, so that next time we will ready to receive the image. In the else part we will receive the image. So in the else part, first we will create a byte array, that is data and equal to new byte input stream dot available, and in the next line int numbers equal to input stream dot read and provide this byte array. So at this moment this byte array will contain all the data that is available in the input stream, and the number of data will be stored in this numbers. After that we will copy this temp data in the original data. So here system.array copy this data, its source start will be the 0 and its length will be this numbers. Okay, and the target array is buffer and the starting value of the buffer is index. So first time this data will be copied in this buffer from the 0, and next time index will be increased to the numbers. Okay, so if we are getting 400 bytes, then the index will be 0 plus 400. Okay, and if index is equal to number of bytes, that is we have received all the bytes, then send the byte array to the handler. Handler dot obtain message state message received, the number of bytes that we have received, and the third argument we don't need, so -1, and the buffer array. Okay, and again make flag true so that next time we will receive next image, and this true flag will be indicate that we are receiving the number of bytes. And in the handler, let's have a look what we are going to do. So here case state message received. Here first we will create an array of bytes, that is read buffer, and this read buffer will contain the buffer array that we have sent to this handler. Okay, so message dot obj and convert this into the byte array and save in this read buffer. And after that create an object of bitmap, that is bitmap equal to bitmap factory dot decode. Now we are decoding the byte array. So this read buffer, its index starts from 0 and ends to the message dot argument 1, that is the number of bytes. And after that we will show this bitmap in the image view. So image view dot set image bitmap and provide this bitmap. Okay, so let's have a look in the Android Studio how to do this. So friends, this is the project that we are going to create, in which first have a look what we have in the drawable. So in the drawable we have two images, one is happy icon and another is stupid icon. So stupid icon is used to show this image view, and happy icon we will send to the receiver. Here this listen button is working as the last videos, list device is also working as the last videos, this list view is also working as the last videos. Only this send button is empty, so we will write the code to this send button. I am not repeating this connecting part, so if you want to learn about this, then you can watch previous video. So in this video we will use only this send button, and when we will click the send button on the receiver side, this stupid icon will be converted into the happy icon. So in the main activity.java, this is the send button and it's send dot set on click listener, and in the on click first create an bitmap object equal to get resource, comma, r dot drawable dot happy icon. So we have the happy icon. In the next line, create byte array output string. String equal to byte array output string. Now bitmap dot compress bitmap dot compress format dot png, comma, make its quality for example 50, comma, stream is stream. Byte array, that is image bytes, equal to stream dot 2 byte array. Now we have image in the form of byte array. Let's create subarray size. So int subarray size equal to 400, and first we will send the length of the image bytes. So send receive object dot write, and here image bytes dot length. First convert it into the string. So string dot value of dot get bytes. Now we have sent the length of the image bytes. Now we need to send the sub array, and for that create for loop for image bytes dot length I is plus equal to subarray size. So first create temporary byte array. So byte temp array, and initialize this temp array dot copy of range. So we are going to copy the range of 400, and for that first source. So source is image bytes, comma, source starting point, that is I, comma, source endpoints. So endpoints we will decide using the math formula. So math dot min. So whatever will be the minimum value, that will be the ending point of the copy range. So first is image bytes dot length, comma, I plus subarray size. Send receive dot write temp array. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can just ask in the comment box below, because this might be little bit tricky for you. Now let's come to the receiver side, and for that, in the send receive class, in the public void run, create buffer array, that is byte array buffer, and it is null int number of bytes. Index equal to 0, and then flags, boolean true. Now in the infinite while loop, while true, if flag equal to true, that is, then create temporary byte array. And its size will be input string dot available. Press alt enter, surround with try catch. Okay. If input string dot read, that is temp is greater than 0, then number of bytes equal to integer dot parse int, and here new string, that is temp, and its encoding is UTF-8. And here buffer number of bytes, and let's make flag false. In the else part, byte array, that is data, int string dot available. Alt enter, surround with try catch. Int numbers equal to input string dot read, and provide data. Now copy this data into the buffer array. So for that, system dot array copy data comma index start from 0 comma buffer comma index comma numbers. Okay. Index equal to index plus numbers. After that, if index equal to number of bytes, then send the message to the handler. And for that, handler dot obtain message state message received comma number of bytes comma -1 comma buffer dot send to target, and flag equal to true. Okay. In the right method, this output string dot flush. Okay. Now one more thing is remaining, that is handler, and for that, this is the handler and is the message received. So here, when we will receive the message, first create an array of bytes, that is byte array, and its name is read buff equal to msg dot obj. Press alt enter, cast to byte array. After that, create bitmap object equal to bitmap factory dot decode byte array, and first is read buff comma 0 comma msg dot arg1. Now we have image, and set this image to the image view, that is image view dot set image bitmap. Okay, so let's try to run this. So friends, you can see our app is running on two different devices. So first list devices and listen. Now click Iris X8 and both devices are connected. Now we will click on this send button and the happy icon will be sent to this device. So send, and you can see happy icon here. Same, if we click send button here, the happy icon will be sent to this device, and you can see this. Okay, so friends, this is enough for this video. In the next video we will try to do something else. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, then you can write that in the comment box below, and you can also contact me with my email ID. So thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.